Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to delete emails on your iPad or iPhone running iOS 7. This process is shown on the iPad running iOS 7 but works exactly the same on your iPhone. It's just a little easier to see with the bigger device. So I have email open and I'm looking at all my inboxes and I'd like to delete some emails. So I can quickly delete a single email by swiping from right to left. Just drag your finger across the email like you're crossing it out and you'll see the move button or the trash button, and you can simply press trash. If you were to swipe from left to right on the email, it's not going to delete the email. It's going to take you back a screen so that I can see a list of all my inboxes. Let's go back into all my inboxes. So let's delete multiple emails at one time. To do this, we're going to tap the edit button, and then we're going to tap each of the emails that we'd like to delete. At the bottom, you have the option to mark them, move them, or trash them. I'm going to go ahead and tap trash. And again, it's going to ask me to confirm so I don't accidentally delete these messages, and I'm going to tap trash selected messages. And it returns back to your inbox view. So it's quite simple to delete a single email or multiple emails at one time. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.